Immobiliser Fit, and this is a CLS63 2015 secured with a Halo Mini. So if a thief done a relay attack, copied the key, got in and tried to steal the vehicle, the ignition's going to come on, but the vehicle's just not going to fire up. So if we just try again, it's not going to fire up at all. So what the customer has to do, keep their foot off the brake, tap the start button twice so all their ignition lights come on, pop their unique code in. So for now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the full beam and we can start the vehicle. And it fires up. When they leave the vehicle, they'll turn it off. As soon as they get out, you'll see we get a flash from the full beam telling us the system's active instantly, so no one can drive it without the code. So once again, pop the code in, so we'll turn the car off, double tap back on, obviously because we tried to stall it, pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get a flash from the full beam, we can start the vehicle. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2015 CLS63 AMG with a Halo Mini.